Now let's see how we would do a mail merge in New Outlook. Well, we have two different ways to do mail merge in New Outlook. We can click New Mail, then go to Options, and then Start Mail Merge and add our recipients. So let's add our good friend, our great friend, and this demo account. From there, we would just compose a message like normal. You also can choose to start a mail merge directly from the drop down arrow after you've already created a new message. So you would just go to send and then select start mail merge, and then you would follow the same procedure. When you use mail merge in New Outlook, you can't insert fields. If you remember, if we were in classic Outlook, we could actually have hi Bob, hi good friend within the message. So you may wonder, why is this better than just using BCC? Well, one advantage of using this method of sending a mass email, even though it's not personalized, is that when you do, each recipient gets their own email instead of when we have a BCC email and it gives a hint that that email was sent in bulk.